Hello guys, today we're talking about the PyChain Mall and how you can connect through Pi browser to PyChain Mall. So first of all, you can come with the Pi network app, then click on the Pi browser. When you click the Pi browser, so you will be directly linked to the PyChain Mall and Pi browser. So you have to only click on the Pi browser. So you can click Pi browser, then sign in to Pi browser. When you click the sign in to Pi browser, then you will come with the Pi browser app, and you can select one Chrome and snap to what you want. So I will select open with Chrome, so just one. When you select the Chrome, then you will come with another window that's called PyChain Mall. So PyChain Mall, Pi browser will be directly connect, and then you will come with the PyChain Mall and PyChain Mall website. So what you do when you come there, then you can click a Pi KYC, Brainstorm, ChatPi, Pi blockchain, develop Pi, mine Pi. So everything option you have there from this. So you can click on simply Brainstorm and then click on PyChain Mall. So when you come PyChain Mall, you will see three things: Polo, Explore and Global. So you can click anyone and you have see the stocks, the prices of every product. Like you can see bottle have a 10 Pi, car and small bottle, ketchup bottle, oil bottle, everything what you want to buy from them, that will be have a value of Pi coin value, because PyChain Mall is officially linked with Pi browser and Pi network. When Pi network connect with officially mainnet and blockchain, so they will be linked with PyChain Mall automatically with through Pi browser. So this is the option. You can check PyChain Mall, explore and what you want when Pi network launch on the mainnet. So when you want something and want to explore and shopping, so you can come PyChain Mall and select the product and you will pay automatically on Pi network. So when you can come with the PyChain Mall official your account, then you can see the testnet, total income earned with this month, ambassador benefits, the testnet identity displayed after invite the brands, mainnet that will receive commission and participant presuming community. So this all the benefit will you have at the ambassador benefit. So this is the video. If you like video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this video more and more and like. Inshallah we'll meet in the next video. Then wassalam.